Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobby Time. Come join me for another round of fun. I'm ready. Are you? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, we're back with another mini verse food making one. Diner series. Last time we got to make, I put it in this capsule, the pancakes, if you remember. We have to open this. I was gonna open it beforehand, but I think maybe y'all get a kick out of watching me struggle. Like that. Okay. I swear. Anyway, try to open as fast as I can. Get through this part and get to down to the fun, right? Let's get down to the fun part. Well, right there it tells us strawberry and blueberries, but last time the one we had strawberries and blueberries was bananas, so it just tells you fruit. It better not be a dupe. If it's a dupe, I'm gonna be so sad. Ugh, it's kind of looking like a dupe, you guys. Of all for realness. Oh no, don't be a dupe. Ugh, I'm gonna be so irked. If it's a dupe, let's see what we get. If it's seriously, oh, for crying out loud. I really think it is. Oh, well, no, it's not. Okay, so Sunny Griddle French toast slices. So, I only need to open it this far. Well, these are very tender. Whatever, I don't need that half anyway. So, I got the pancakes last time. Now we're making French toast. Can you see that? Alright, we're making some French toast. Maybe I'll make it prettier and not so crazy. I kind of went crazy with it last time, didn't I? But I mean, it still turned out great. Okay. We got maple syrup again. I mean, it's kind of the same concept. I was hoping for like one of the shakes or something. Here's our cute little teeny tiny fork. Oh, and I figured it out after the video last time. I figured it out. This little plastic thing, when you're done, holds that. So you don't get the ooey gooey stuff after you're done because of placing everything. So maybe this really is strawberries and blueberries. If so, okay, it's just, whoa, calm down. Just blueberries. Those are so cute. Can you guys see that? Here. Oh, they had like the little blueberryness design on them and everything. It's so cute. But I have a feeling when I open this, it'll go and these are going to be everywhere. It's alright. And of course, a little plate. Alright, so I feel like after I've done the first one, I can make this one a little better, hopefully. I hope. And I saved the box. I did save the box. It wouldn't fit with a dome on it on this one, so it's underneath the table. But I did save it because I thought it was cute. You see that? Oh, I love that they do the different colors, like when you actually make it. That's cute. Bananas And they are a little flopsy. Come on, bread. Whatever. Put the fork like that. Warm this up a little bit, maybe it comes off. I know I gotta put the syrup on so these guys will stick, but I'm gonna open these guys up. I'm just kind of warming it up so maybe it'll come out a little nicer. I could put chocolate chips on it from that one. I don't want chocolate chips on mine though. Really, just open. Just do it. I don't want to fling bananas everywhere. Man, if you don't have any nails, makes it everything a little more difficult. Let me know how many of these, if you guys have made these before, if you have like a favorite one you've made. I know there's like 2 series, a diner and a cafe, I think. I've just come across this one. Let me know which ones you've made, which ones you prefer. Personally, not like, I mean, I'll do my best to find some more of these. These are fun. Just give me my blueberries. Madam Blueberry. She's so blue. If you guys don't know what that's from VeggieTales. If you don't know what that's from, then you'll just have to Google it. It's whatever. It's old. Well, I guess it's not old. I assume they still watch that or play that. I just have to be careful because I don't want to like pop these suckers all over the place. Look how tiny they are. Just like that. Good Lord. And, oh my gosh. So if you're look, it's a chocolate chip from my last time. They're still everywhere. At least it's not glitter. I mean, stuff gets everywhere. All right. See if this opens nicer for me this time. It's like the resin sealed this lid on for me last time and did not let me open it. All right, I'll be right back. Nope, I struggle with this lid hardcore. Like, it just doesn't want to come off, but whatever, it's off now. So go easy. Okay, well, come out. Okay, I guess we can add more as we see fit. I'm just gonna use a pinch of these and kind of drop some here. I don't need those. To me, it's like taking too long. Put some blueberries over here. Stop that from sliding. I just feel like it's going to dry really fast, but I don't honestly know how fast it dries because I do stick it under that thing. But I don't know. That's not going to stay. Any more left? Yeah. Well, a little bit got on the table, but you know, that happens, right? So we'll stick a blueberry on it. Okay. So I want like a banana on the fork. Blueberry on the fork. Don't mind my dog in the background. Does that look pretty tasty? You see? That look pretty good. So I have a banana on the back side of my table. Well, I have a, ew, stuck my finger in it. There. Let's cure that. So what do you guys think? I think the resin is a pain in the butt. Other than that, these are really fun, and I really like them. And I'll definitely be doing more. Definitely will be doing more of these. These things are everywhere. I'll close this up. I'm just making a mess. Again, this would be cute with like Barbies, have like a little breakfast situation. I'm glad it was something different. I was really afraid when I saw that it was, look, and they're on there. And there's our French toast. Cool. French toast with a little mess on the table. So I'm gonna put this kind of in the bottom. The box has to go in the bottom. Let's see. I kind of slide that in there. Click in. Actually, I probably should put that in there for a second. Trying to cure the mat. So what I'm doing, because I put those on there, I want them to stay on there. There we go. Pop that sucker in there. Drop these in here. Just lean it up a little bit. Get in there. And then place my little blueberries. See? Accents can be art. Like that. So everyone makes a mess in their life. Well, these kind of take up more space than the other thing. We don't have any bananas in there, we just have some extra blueberries, right? Extra blueberries. I'm just gonna pop it in like that. And see? Have some dog hair with it. Okay. There we go. Pretty cool, right? Alright, so there'll be more videos about popping up about here and here. Click on them, like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you think. I'll be doing some more of these. Hopefully we'll get some more varieties. Look, they do have waffles. I told you I love waffles. and we'll see what else we can get into. Bye, guys.